Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can create labels with an Access report. So just to recap, I have a table here of customers. I want to create labels for these customers. So what you do is you go create. The reports area has got labels as an option. Click on labels and then it will give you the option of which label to choose from. So this one is already highlighted 3 across. I'm going to go for that one, but you might need to change this. There's absolutely hundreds in here. And then different types as well. If you drop this list down, all of these different makes. And then if you go to somewhere like Staples, they'd have their own brand and it might not be in that list. You'd have to customize it yourself to make sure it fits whatever Staples size is. Once you've got the label sorted though, you follow it through the wizard. You go next. That's the font and size of it. And then next. Now you've got all the fields from this table that you've got selected there and you need to position them. So I want first name, space, surname, enter, company, enter, address, space, city, and then postcode coming down after city. Go back one. After city I need to come down one and then I want postcode. I haven't got enough space on this one for county should I say, so move that one across. If you wanted the county in, I'd have to adjust this slightly, but that's all right. It's a process. Go next. Do I want to sort by anything? I'll sort by city. Next. Labels, customers, that'll do, and then finish. And then it should generate labels for you. So there are all the labels there. 3, 6, 9, 12 labels. Just close that down. Now if you go and add a new record into this table, which I will do, Carol Brown, she can work at Able as well. 2 Blue Road, Newcastle, Tyne Wear, NE22D. And date joined, date formed, 01/01/2000. I'll do. So now if I go back to labels, open that report labels, that should pick her up like that. So if I click on print preview, you'll see that there's 13 labels now. Oh, nice and neat. So if I delete people, it would obviously remove them. If I add people, it adds them in. There's the labels, and you don't have to do anything other than that. So that's all I want to talk about in this little session, how you can create labels.